Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. In front of us and for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit 350 Limited Series L3H2, so long wheelbase, medium roof. 185 PS engine, so the largest engine you can get in a Transit. 6-speed manual gearbox and front wheel drive, which gives you the increased load height in the back and also the increase in payload. Lovely low mileage, just under 19,000 miles covered. And in addition to the Limited Series, it's fitted with IcePack 25, so that's lane keeping alert, auto high beam, factory navigation, adaptive and intelligent cruise control, plus plenty more inside. So this was registered October 2021, sits on the 71 plate and comes with Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. Metallic Moondust silver, 16-inch alloy wheels, front, rear and side parking sensors. So you've got the 8-inch touchscreen in the cab, BI-XENON headlights, body colour front bumper, heated windscreen, and Roywood Transits can upgrade the driver's secured door lock to a stainless steel one. Please ask for further information. So power folding mirrors, cornering fogs, chrome effect on the grille, and this van is in stock. Now inside the back here you can see the benefit of the front wheel drive, giving you a lower step up. And as it's an L3, you get just under 3.5 metres of load length along the easy clean floor, with Ford standard lining, various tie downs, and a full metal bulkhead with yellow grab handle. Lockable doors in the 90-degree position, just push this tab in. And they also open up 180 degrees. And now into the cab. So excellent condition. Here you can see the leather trim steering wheel, plus gear stick just beyond that. Touchscreen over there, go into more detail in just a second. So you've got the dual passenger seat, under seat storage and fold down table. 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar support and armrest. Electric one-touch windows. Automatic headlights, remember these are the BI-XENONs, and also auto high beam. Power folding and adjustable door mirrors. Voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected. Automatic rain sensing wipers. And here you can see the cruise control with adjustable speed limiter and the extra buttons here for the cruise control and the lane keeping alert. So IcePack 25, so we'll just confirm the mileage. So IcePack 25 includes the following driver assists. So we've got pre-collision assist with active braking. We've got traffic sign recognition and limiter. So lane keeping system, both assistance and alert. Then we have cruise control, both intelligent and adaptive. Plus factory navigation, which is accessed via the 8-inch touchscreen. So again, with this touchscreen, IcePack 25, great blend of physical and touchscreen buttons. If you connect your phone through USB up on the dashboard, you can then access Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, really great feature. Then just below that, we have the manual cab air conditioning with quick clear and quick cool, heated windscreen and heated door mirrors. The touchscreen also displays the front, rear and side parking sensors. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we have a well looked after Ford Transit 350 L3H2 Limited Series plus IcePack 25. Lovely low mileage, just under 19,000 miles. Metallic Moondust silver, registered October 2021. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you very much for watching.